Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, keyless ignition, rear-view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2017 Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.